What's up, guys? Adam Steele here for the tutorials on what we were calling the quad god. But I think we're just going to call it the leg saw or the quad saw. But this is the first of its kind, so this would be like the Mark III. You guys, so this is the concept model before we go into production. This is, as you are familiar with, the lying leg extension, the ISO leg extension. It is chain driven, it is plate loaded, it is awesome. And then so there are a lot of cool aspects to this. You have the upper handles, the over the top handles, and then the arm handles here that are featured for assistance. So when you're loading in, either you're in front for hamstrings or seating down, you can pull forward for an assisted lift. And then let's get this loaded and I'll show you guys kind of how it works. So you got your plate horns on right and left for each leg arm, okay? So let's start with the most obvious. We're gonna do the quad lying extension. So it's super nice right here. It's adjustable on either side. So you just pull the pin and you can slide up or you can slide down. So it's super simple. And really love that. They're easy to use. You can slide right in here, you know, and then again, you can get some assistance here if you wanted to pull. Handles here, lean back. And what's really cool is you guys can see the way I built this is it has the gap for your glutes so you don't flatten your back. You actually keep that natural curve of your spine and support so you can get the most stretch from your upper quad. So as we lay down here, as we're laying down here, you can see I got a nice stretch here in my quad. Feels great. Handles here, and then I can flex all the way out. Okay, so I can stand up, pull the pin, go up one, bring it. Over here, you can see the pin on this side, pull the pin, go up to the next hole. So it can be a little bit more on my ankle and not down the top of my foot. Super easy to adjust. So sit in, lay back, get comfortable. I got the handles right here for support, for pulling, or a lot of people, you can just hold on to the seat, just depending on your height, what's gonna be more comfortable. And so with that, I can focus on one side, get a nice stretch, bring that quad up. It's great, you can't overthrow it. It's got a really consistent range and like awesome connection with the force and the resistance to the range of motion with the chain drive. It's just crazy clean. So super fun. Do both right there. All right, now let me break down and show you guys the fun part of how this works, because this is a unique idea when you're coming into a donkey stretch. So like a leaning over hamstring iso curl. So you really just focus on that hamstring bicep right there. So awesome. Both sides have a little step that just flips from the front right to the back. Super easy. So you can do one and then the other. It doesn't really get in the way, so it's easy to do them both at the same time, I think. You can set it down and you're good to go. So a good example, I'm gonna probably keep this in the same position. So let's start on the right side. So what I like to do is I'll just put my foot forward, and then a really fun thing that makes this awesome because you're thinking, okay, the pad and the support on your knees, what's going on here? So as you can see here, you just pop and then you have a nice supported pad with 50-pound pistons, and it just elevates it for you so you can really lean into it. So what I like to do is I take a step, lean in, grab right here, get a nice stretch going, and then I like to, depending on the leg I'm working, I'll like kind of position myself to one side, and that stretch is just super killer. Allows me to really get a contraction. I'm not pulling and forcing because of the support here on my knees and having the step to elevate to get a really nice curl, and the pad isn't moving on my leg at all. Super easy. Set it down, step through, come up, step on the step, switch to the side, boom, just like that. It just really hits the hamstring super hard. Feels good. Depending on your height, you can stretch. So having that kind of donkey shape, you know, like you're doing a donkey calf raise. So just like leaning over a hip hinge, I'm able to take my lower back out of it, and it's all this hamstring target right there. Super fun. Then just set her down, step out, and you're good to go. So right there, guys, is the easy way to adjust this. And when you say if you want a superset, cool, you could probably even leave the steps down. So depending on your height, if they're in the way, you just put them to the back. If they're not, you're good to operate it just fine. It doesn't have to be in your way. And so for most people, I'd say 6 to 6'1" and under, you'd probably be able to leave the steps just down in front the whole time, just so it makes it easy for adjustments. And then the fastest way is push the seat down, and you're good to go. It automatically locks into place with the pull pin, and it's now back to a lying leg extension. So This is the leg ISO and combo for hamstring and quad full stretch. I think this is probably one of the most dynamic machines, one I've made for legs too, or it being not only ISO, plate loaded, chain driven, super direct range of motion and resistance, but also the lying all the way back with a 15-degree decline, space for the glutes to have so your back doesn't flatten around, and then also having the donkey, the hip bent over position, stretching the hamstrings, and then also like isolating your hams with the stretch, as well as not allowing your lower back to pull into it like a prone or a standing, or even the kneeling on the hammer strength where you're pulling with your back. So taking a lot of that out, this thing rips. It's super rad. So definitely check out the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave us a comment if you haven't tried this. It's going to be at all 3 locations, currently San Antonio, and then we're off to San Diego, and as you know, Las Vegas. So make sure you check this bad boy out. Let us know what you think. Thank you.